Washing your car doesn't have to be a chore, especially if you know how to do it properly. So watch me do it. I'm going to wash my car in about 15 minutes. This is what I do. I have a Toyota 4Runner. It's quite a large truck, but look, I'm just using these microfiber brushes and I'm just going to swirl it around. I'm going to put it back in the soap. And the biggest thing that most people forget is to use enough soap. They're actually going to be underusing soap and adding more water in order to conserve soap, when you got to realize the more soap you use, the better results are normally going to be, especially if your car is very dirty. Now, I have to go through each and every crevice, but as long as you're doing a thorough job and you have double the mitts, you'll find that you can get through an entire car in just about 10 minutes. Now, just wash it and rinse it. Make sure that you have all the soap off. Next, I'm going to use this Turtle Wax Graphene Flex Wax, and it's my absolute favorite, but you got to only use it in the shade. So if it's a sunny day, make sure you're doing this in the shade. Now, I like to use it wet because you can use it wet or dry. So as I'm drying my car, I just have to use a light spray on each panel. Don't be tempted to overspray and use too much. Some people like to actually spray it on their rag or their applicator, but in my opinion, I just like to spray it on the car and then use a clean microfiber towel to buff it out. Now, I like to use it everywhere, including on the grill, including on the glass, but that's going to be up to you. But I think that the trade-off here is that it gives you great water protection as well as water beading on the surface of your car. You can visibly see it. And it's going to last you about 30 to 60 days depending on how heavy the rain is. This is my Chemical Guys Tire Shine, and it's absolutely bomb because I just have to apply some on this applicator, and on each tire I'm going to wash that tire as I wash my car. I'm going to make sure that it's not too dirty, otherwise my applicator is going to get super dirty. Just spray some on and then just going to rub it on. The only secret here is that the Tire Shine lasts a long time, and I appreciate that because I hate reapplying Tire Shine every other day. So here you can see how it looks in the rear untreated and in the front treated. I'm going to spray it again, and the tires are going to be 1, 2, 3. You can also spray it directly to your tires and then just rub it around using an applicator as well. I just like using the applicator because it's going to be cleaner and then I can always wash it. But if not, you want to use a sponge, you can also use it with a sponge. Now that you did the exterior, how do you wash the interior? Assuming that you do not need to vacuum your interior, and for my car, I do use a car vacuum called the Shark Mess Master, and this is just how I do it. I just use this Chemical Guys Total Interior Spray. It cleans glass, it cleans everything, so I just spray it. It's all purpose. And I just go through every crevice and I use a microfiber towel and I just wipe it down. As long as you do this, you'll find that the material your car is made are very durable. So as long as you're taking care of it long term, it's going to look good long term. So I'm going to do that for the entire interior here. Then I'm going to be washing my Husky liners, and our vehicle should be all done. I've been protecting the interior, the exterior, and I cleaned all around it. And this is the results after 35 minutes. This is how clean my vehicle is. I think as long as you take some good care to your car and show it some love, it's going to last you a very long time. With that, thanks for watching everybody. This is David with the French Glow, signing off. Bye bye bye.